how gold is not enough.
Acha, moving on to the wireless hacking. That is the last topic for today. For wireless hacking, guys, you need a particular device with you. I will show you the device, but I don't know, due to the current geopolitical situation, you will get this device or not. There is a particular website called aliexpress.com. I am writing a model number here. Everyone, please note down this model number very carefully. So everyone, please note down this name very carefully. You need to use this name to buy the, yes, after showing this, I will tell about Red Room, don't worry. So I am searching this name in the aliexpress.com, and there are two particular models which you should buy. These are the two particular models which you can buy. I use this model, so this model must be connected to your Linux so that you can do JRenga Raylink model can also be used, but this model is a more better model to be used. So you can, this model just need to be plugged into your device. There is no driver issue. So after plugging in this model, guys, see, I am plugging this model into my device, and I am connecting this into my Kali Linux. So now I will check my IF config, that is the interfaces connected, and you can see as I have connected, this interface has appeared. So this interface is required for doing the WhatsApp process, for the Wi-Fi hacking process. So for Wi-Fi hacking, there is a particular set of commands. I will send this file in the WhatsApp group. So I will just run these commands one by one. Ashwini, yes, this model is necessary. Without this model, you cannot do the Wi-Fi hacking. So guys, let me explain the Wi-Fi hacking. So here, the first command that I should run is armon ng start wlan 0. So what is armon ng? First, let me explain you. Yes, we are hacking WPA2 only. So guys, consider this rectangle is a mobile and this is a router. So when a mobile tries to connect with a router, how does the connection happens? First of all, a packet is being sent by the mobile to the router. This packet is known as the acknowledgement packet. This packet is called the acknowledgement packet, ACK. Now, once the ACK packet has been received by the router sends a, sorry guys, sorry, I just missed out. The first packet that is sent, that is known as synchronization packet, that is called SYN packet. So once the SYN packet is sent, the router sends back the acknowledgement packet. So once the acknowledgement packet or the ACK packet is received by the device, the device send a third packet, that is the final connection packet, which is known as the synchronization plus acknowledgement or SYN plus ACK packet. So these are the three packets that are being exchange between the mobile and the router to create the successful connection. Now, can anyone tell me out of these 3 packets, which is the one packet which contains the password? Praveen Kumar is saying ACK. No, Praveen, it is not ACK. J Renga is right. The last packet, that is the SYN-ACK packet, this packet contains the password, and this whole process is named as 3-way packet handshake. This whole process is known as 3-way packet handshake. So now, what is the use of the device that I am using? First, let me tell you what will happen. Suppose there is a router and many devices are connected to that. The device that I am particularly using, there is a particular mode in this device called the monitor mode. This monitor mode will capture these SYN-ACK packets to get the password. So basically, this device is used for turning the monitor mode on. So here, using the ARMON NG start, I have turned the monitor mode. So here you can see it is showing that some processes are causing problem. I need to kill those processes. So they are giving a link here, command here. I will just run this command and these 2 problem creating processes will get killed. Ashwin, you have got a wrong knowledge. That is, this is a 3-way packet handshake. TCP packet handshake is always 3-way. Achha, so now my monitor mode has started successfully. So now I will turn the scan. Aerodump NG. Aerodump NG will help me to scan the networks near me. So let me scan the networks near me. After every command, you need to enter your interface name. My interface name was WLAN 0. After the monitor mode has started, it has become WLAN 0 mod. So I have turned on Aerodump NG. So now let's see the nearest Wi-Fi. So I have got the nearest Wi-Fi. I will try to hack on this process. I will do this network because this is my own network. So I have authority to do. Yes, Debojyoti Datta, it supports packet injection also. Tejas, we can do it in VirtualBox also. Ratnadeep, no, this is not Fluxion. Fluxion tool is backdated nowadays, though. So I am showing you the actual process that is used in market today. So once I have got this network, I will copy this detail into a notepad file. So let me copy this detail into a notepad file. So once I have copied this detail, I will go on to the next process. This will start the scanner. This scanner will basically help me to find out which devices to basically capture the password. This scanner will start the scanner that whenever a password packet will be sent, it will capture that password. So here, see, I am writing a very long command. I will just explain the command to you. 1 second. Let me just write the command, then I will explain it to you. Alicia Goyal, no, this cannot be done in Windows. So this command means here BSS ID is the MAC address of the network and C stands for channel. You can see there is a CH here, which is channel number 3. So I need to mention the channel 3. Then hyphen write means this will, and this is the name of the file WPA crack. So hyphen write will basically store the captured packets data into the WPA crack file. Ronak Das, this should run in the Mac OS. So I have started the scanner. Now in a next tab, now I will just disconnect my mobile from the network and I will try to reconnect. You will see after this 13, there will be a particular write-up appear which is known as WPA handshake. See the I just reconnected my mobile and the WPA handshake is successful. Whenever this WPA handshake is successful, I will just press Ctrl C and stop the scanner. My file has been captured. Now I will do something called brute force attack. What is a brute force attack? A brute force attack is a dictionary based attack. Using this dictionary based attack, we will use a particular word list and we will do a trial and error method to get access to the password. So let's check. So this is the last command, aircrack ng wpa01.cap. You see this file has been created in my file manager. Aniket Roy, which number you are talking about, please tell. So the wpa01.cap file is here. So I just need to mention the file name, then -w and the word list that I will use. So this is the word list common.txt that I will use and I will press enter. So see the key found and this is the password of my Wi-Fi. So guys, now tell me what are the doubts you have. Praveen Kumar, yes, this is a word list attack. Aniket Roy, what is the reason of changing the number? The number under rate. Aniket, I still cannot understand which number you are talking about. Bro, how to create a word list? Aniket, you can Praveen, you can download word lists from directly from Google. There is no issue problem to create it. No, Lavan, you can download the word list. Devendra Raut, there was another method in the using a tool called Fluxion, but that tool has become outdated. Sagar and Vaishnavi, don't worry. I have videos for this. I will provide in the WhatsApp group. Praveen, no, it is always not impossible to crack someone's Wi-Fi. It is sometimes it is possible. Ashutosh, yes, we can create with Python. Ashwini, we use the network adapter to time on the to start the monitor mode. Aniket Roy, the number started increasing because there are many Wi-Fis available near my home. Praveen Roy, yeah, this can be done anywhere. Tejas, this basically depends on how much big word list you are providing. Ashwin, we don't have any other option. Sagar, yes, Termux can be used. Lavan, yes, you can start monitor mode. Praveen, they may find us, but if we are certified hacker, they will not tell us anything. Aniket, yes, the number increased due to the strength of the Wi-Fi also. Ashwin, there is no other option without dictionary. Pritam, I will send this file in the WhatsApp group. You need not to worry. Guys, we are already out of time. Hitesh, yes, I will send the file. I am skipping the WhatsApp hacking and the Wi-Fi, the Android hacking for now. But you guys need not to worry. I will send you the WhatsApp hacking and the Android hacking videos in the WhatsApp group, which we have created. And there all the processes will be.